Let's learn how to make cough syrup that you don't have to beg your kids to take. This stuff is so good, it's all natural, and works fast and no side effects. The main ingredient is an onion. Onion has an active component called allicin, which is a natural antibiotic and amazing at decongesting. This is for anyone 12 months of age and older, and if you have a baby, I do make baby kind with agave instead of honey. This has been really helpful for clients with RSV, chronic cough, COPD, and congested cough and lungs. Hey, I'm Monica with Herbalish, and one of my top comments on my fermented garlic video was you can do this with onions, and that's actually my top seller for Herbalish and one of my favorite cough syrups. So today I'm going to teach you how to make that. And I do offer this on my website. It's a little different. It's a little more advanced. It has a few more herbs, a few more steps. So if you don't want to make the basic way today, you can always buy the deluxe kind off of my website. It's Herbalish Cough Decongestant. We're going to be using half of an onion, some orange peel, a thumb of ginger, 2 star anise, cinnamon, and 10 ounces of honey. I use raw, unfiltered Texas honey. You can use whatever onion you want, but I prefer the white or the yellow. So I cut the onion in half, and then I do half moons like this. And this just makes it really easy to be able to get your dose out of the jar without getting any pieces of onion on your spoon. Now we're just going to use the peeling of an orange, about 2 slices, into the jar. Some star anise and cinnamon. Now we're going to put a few little slices of ginger, and keep in mind anything that we're putting in the jar is slowly going to candy over time. So can you imagine how good these little slices of ginger are going to be? So what does this taste like? It tastes like the ginger and the cinnamon and the star anise. It does not even taste like onions. Over the course of one day, the onions will shrink in half. All of the juice inside the onion is extracted out into the honey. My boys fake a cough to get this stuff. They love it. Like if I give it to one of my kids, the other one's like, I have a cough too. So it's that good. I went to a convention and one customer was walking around the convention just like drinking it out of the jar. I have several different sizes. I have 8 ounce, 16 ounce, and I also make a 32 ounce. And this will last you a really long time. It actually lasts indefinitely as long as you keep bacteria from entering your jar. So by using a clean spoon. And also store this in a cool, dark spot, not in the refrigerator, because honey will crystallize. So this is just left in room temperature. Before you open it, shake it like this. Get a clean, sterile spoon and just pour it from the jar so you're not putting any spoons into the jar. There you go.